THInteriors Bathroom Refits. Let's take a look at the towel rail. Half the height it was supposed to be, start, but apparently if you don't know what they can fit with the wire either side, then you fit it to the wrong side and you go around the houses with the wiring. You don't even make the wiring flush to the wall or bother about chipping the paint off. You just nail it to the front. Wow. Well, at least it was secured to the wall though. Oh no, it's not. Hole 4, not fastened. Dangerous. Brilliant. THInteriors. Professionals.